My name is Jimmy Akintonde. I'm the president and CEO of Ujamaa Construction. I started Ujamaa Construction in 2002 as a single employee. I started Ujamaa Construction from the attic of my house. And in those early years, it was just myself, a small computer, small printer, no employees. I started the company after my stint at the previous large organization, wanted to bring what I call quality construction company to the inner city of Chicago, making sure that we can have construction that's representative of the people in the south side and the west side of Chicago. One of the early projects for Ujamaa Construction was a project that was called the Burger Bin. And it was a small retail turkey burger bar on the north side that we did for a client who was actually an electrician, and his wife at the time had just retired from CTA and they were looking for their next venture. And they approached me and said, "This is our dream. We want to build this small turkey burger restaurant and we'd like you to be our builder." And to feel that at that stage that they were trusting me with something that delicate to them, to be able to start their project and finish their project. It was actually a first commercial project. And I still remembered when the city came in and they got their permit, and I got the very first burger from that restaurant. Those are the kind of things that you get very excited about, those personal relationships that you were responsible or you were part of somebody else's dream.